private practice truth bomb. I haven't done these in a while. All right. I heard this term, decision fatigue, and I kind of like poo-pooed it. All right, that's a lie. I was actually really judgy about it. I'm like, decision fatigue. Then my condo went through the hurricane, and all of a sudden I'm faced with all of these like big ticket item decisions, right? Like new flooring and quotes and contractors and plumbing and tile and all kinds cabinets and all kinds of stuff. And you know what? It was exhausting. And the stakes are really high in private practice. So making decisions, I would imagine, can throw you into fatigue. And when you go into fatigue, what do? You go into apathy, or you make wrong decisions. So I'm going to make this easy for you. I'm going to tell you that part of what makes private practice hard is not having enough systems in place. So every year for 4 years, we've offered Strategize to Maximize. I like the title, Strategize to Maximize. It sounds cute. It's so much more than cute. It really is like General Patton, aka Diane Crecelius, who grew her practice from a one-man band to 3,000 visits, sold it for multi-millions of dollars, did SSI trainings, that's survival strategies, for 25 years, and now pays it forward by training you guys up. She leads you through the battlefield of private practice. Guys, you take your numbers. Now you have a baseline. You learn the right numbers to track. And then you track them for the whole year. And then you come back next year, just like all these other people will come back from last year, and they will see how they did. This is an amazing, amazing strategic battle plan into the future of your practice for an entire year. Now, we usually open up just to pediatric practices, but not this time. This time it's open up to any kind of private practice. If you are PT, OT, speech, pediatric or adult, if you're a chiropractor, if you are a dentist, if you are an audiologist or a dermatologist, we want to see you and your front desk at Strategize to Maximize. I'm telling you, these KPIs are invaluable. And to see that baseline and to see where you go and where you're going, most importantly, and this is a private practice truth bomb, a lot of you don't track your numbers, you don't track them consistently, or you don't track the right ones. Like if I asked you right now, what's your percentage of arrival? What's your percentage of referrals to eval conversion rate? Could you answer me off the top of your head without figuring it out with a pen and paper? I don't know. Then you don't need this. But if you're like 90% of the other practices that don't exactly know what numbers to track and how to track it, and it's also nice because you're in a group setting, it's very warm and fuzzy, and you will learn skills for life with this. That's all of our stuff. Everything we produce and present is all stuff you can use for the life of your practice. So you know what to do. I'm going to make one decision very easy for you. Just click the link below. There, decision made. Who are you going to bring? Decision made. Bam. And come join Strategize to Maximize. End the decision fatigue. It's real. The way you end it is just by deciding and not going back and forth and sinking into that apathy, or worse, making wrong decisions. Easy peasy. Strategize to Maximize. See you there, January 17th.